Hello everyone, and welcome back. Alright, so we have this pretty heavy duty here, Master Lock ProSeries 6327 that was sent to me and pinned up by my good buddy Harley at West Coast Picks, and he's calling it Gargamel. And really guys, if you have not seen any of West Coast Picks videos, you really should, because I can't tell you how much I've learned from his channel. But yeah, he's got the key mummied up here. But if you guys give me a second, we'll get this in the vise and we'll see if we get it picked and see what my good buddy Harley put in there for us. So yeah, give me a second guys and I will be right back. Okay, Gargamel is all up in the vise. Again, that's Gargamel by West Coast Picks. And yeah, let's see if we can't get this thing picked and we will see what West Coast Picks put in there for us. Let me see, that might be a little too close. Back it up just a hair. Alright, let me see here. 50,000. Nope. Okay. 40,000. Oh, that's my 50 again. 40,000. That is a little. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Let me see here. I have two here from West Coast Picks. One is a little less than 50,000 actually. Yep. Alright, let's try this one. Yeah. And work out that ledge up there. So we'll start with my short hook here. Alright, let's see what we got here, guys. Try to work out that ledge. I think we got pin 2. Very small click. Very small click from 3. And, oh, that was a little bit from, I think that might have been 3 again. We got a little bit of a false set here. It's a very floppy core. It's typical with these master locks. It makes it pretty tough because it dampens that feedback quite a bit. Ooh, that was pin 2, and that, I believe, is an overset. Double check everything here. Alright, we're going to drop it back down. Yeah, that was a little quick, I think, from 4. Not sure if this is 5 or a 6-pin lock. Okay, that was, I believe, 3 again. Got that little turn on the core again. Little counter rotation here of a 2. Okay. That was pin 6. Some counter there. I think I need a deeper pick. Let me try Truckmaster's swoop pick. I think I could get a little deeper with this one. Oh, I didn't want to do that, guys. Alright, guess we have a reset. I'm just going to start with this pick. Let me see here. pick wants to slip off that ledge though. Alright, let's go back to my short hook. Seems to stand that ledge a little bit easier. Okay, that was pin 2. Pin 3. Just barely touched that one too. Pin 5, I believe. Definitely binding. Oh, that's an overset. Okay, that was pin 3 again. The thing is, I'm not sure how much tension to keep on this core too. That was pin 2. Pin 4. Another click from 4. Counter there, but like I said, I don't think that pick is tall enough. Where'd you go? That was a click, I believe, from 4 again, because I think I dropped him back down. Let's see if we can find that counter rotation I had. That was pin 4 possibly. That was pin 1. And we just lost our tension wrench again. I don't think I lost anything that time though. Holding it with my pick. Trying not to jam it against that first pin there. Here we go with the counter. Okay, we lost that false set. And we just got it back and we are open. Alright. There it is. Yeah. Ooh, that was pretty tough. A little bit. The tension wrench flying out too a little bit. Alright, let's zoom this back out. And let's see what it takes to get in there. Ooh, that's an Allen wrench. Hold on 1 second, guys. It's a master lock, so it's probably going to be American. Let's try. This is an 1/8 inch. Oh, wait a minute, I got a 7/64. Is that what it is? That one's already out. Yep, that's what it is. Alright, cool. Let me move some of this stuff out of our way. We are going to grab a pin tray. Alright, let's get this thing apart. A little bit more. Alright, and this is what we want right here. Alright, well, you know what? Let's take it on this key, guys. And let's see what kind of a bitting we have, and we will check out. Let me lower the camera a little bit for you, too. When I use the tape, I usually put some paper around the key first, Alright, well that's the bitting on it. It's got a pretty decent bitting. Cool. Alright, let's check it out. And it works very smooth. Okay, let's get this clip off of there. And we are going to use a tool that we got from from West Coast Picks. And they work very well with these little cores. I got these a while ago from West Coast Picks. Thank you very much, Harley. It does work really nice. Alright guys, let's open this thing up and see what we have. Alright, we need a smaller plug follower here. And there it is, 6 pins. And okay, nut number 1 is okay. It had to be picked. Everything's low. And we can see we got some threading in 4 and 5. Alright, let's dump these out, guys. There'll be some small pins here. Very small. Extremely small. And that is a standard. And a spool. These pins, when you're cutting these little pins, they're not easy. And I believe that might be a spool, maybe. A little tapered. Little serrated. Very small standard. And last but not least, another tiny little, in this lock I would call those spools. I don't even know if I would call that serrated. And yep, got some threading in 4 and 5. Alright, let me get a pen in front of this lock here. Alright, let's see what we got. Pin 1 is a spool with a kind of serration on the top there. A little brass spring. Two is, I believe that might be a, oh, no, that's a standard, I believe. I believe that is, almost looks like a steel, but I believe it's a brass. This one is barely sticking up. You can see that. Let's see if we can get him out of there. I know which way he goes in. Oh, there he is. And he is another very small standard. And a tiny, tiny brass spring. That's why he was barely sticking up. We'll bust through the back here. Okay, number 6 is a T-pin spool. Very nice, very small pins. These are awesome. I don't pin up too many small locks. I have done a couple, but let me tell you, they are very small pins to work with. Ooh, and we have a serrated type of T-pin. Lots of serrations in there. And that is a steel spring. So we do have a mixture of springs. Okay, last but not least, let's see if we get this out of here without it popping up. Very small in your hands to work with. And we have a serrated. Another nicely serrated. And possibly another copper spring. Alright, let's see what we have here. See if he's done anything here. Yep. We got some threading again in 4 and 5. Same as the core. Which would make sense with those serrated pins right there. Serrated drivers. Okay, let's have a look at these pins. We have a standard in 1, then we have this spool here in 2, a little T-pin here in 3, kind of rounded. And this one here is a serrated in 4, standard here in 5, and that would be a spool here in 6. Then up top we have some really cool pins. This is a spool with a serration there on the top. We have a standard in 2, a standard in 3, and then we got some serrated pins coming up. Nicely serrated here. In 4, this really cool serrated T-pin here. Kind of like stepped up too. In 5, and another cool spool T-pin. Awesome. This spring's a little bit different. Copper, I think that might be a steel. Tiny little copper. Or brass, not sure. Another brass, a steel, and steel. Yeah. Alright. Fun lock to pick. Thank you for, oops, I just turned the lighting down instead. Yeah. Alright. Well, thank you West Coast Picks. Thank you very much Harley for sending me this lock. And yeah. Alright guys, well, if you enjoyed this video, I'm sorry if it was a little bit long, but yeah. Alright, well, like I said, if you enjoyed it, please hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, everyone, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks guys.